streams. Do you want to earn money like I do? Then watch this entire video without skipping. Free workshop, how I built 5,171 mini income streams. These take only 10 minutes each and cost virtually $0 to set up. And make me over $400K per year. Without building a website or paying for traffic. Save free seat for training. Multiple time slots available. Hurry, spots are limited, and fill up fast. Register for one of our sessions below. For registration, click the link below in description box and comments. Want to know the best way to potentially make a big income online? By making lots of small incomes online. Hi, I'm Rachel Rofe, and I've discovered a method to create these little mini income streams that individually aren't life-changing. But when added up, they've allowed me to quit my job as a Walmart cashier and live the life of my dreams, generating a health income each month, even while I sleep. This amazing system has given me the kind of lifestyle that most people dream about. No bosses, no commute, no long drives, freedom to choose how my time will be spent, financial security and complete peace of mind. Even in these turbulent times, I have flexibility to travel as I want, live where I want, and take care of my little nephew Gabriel, who I absolutely adore. The best part is that these mini income streams cost virtually nothing to set up, and take less than 10 minutes each. I've personally created 5,171 of them. You can potentially do this too, with no special skills or experience, without an audience, without already having a products to sell, and in your spare time around a full-time job, without having to worry about driving web traffic, without having to get on the phone and sell anything. In fact, you can be up and running in as little as 2 weeks, even if you're a complete beginner that knows nothing about technology. Hey, we're all super busy, but if you have a spare 30 minutes a day, a computer, and an internet connection, join me on my free upcoming workshop, where I'll show you step by step exactly how I go about setting up these mini income streams. For a limited time, this workshop is 100% free. Go ahead and click the button on this page, and reserve your free spot. Places fill up fast, so don't delay. Click the link and save your spot on this life-changing workshop now. I'll see you there. Save free seat for training. Multiple time slots available. Hurry, spots are limited, and fill up fast. About Rachel Rofe, CEO. Best-selling author Rachel Rofe is a highly successful full-time internet entrepreneur and coach based in Pennsylvania, where she loves spending time with family and friends. She has been featured in Entrepreneur, Fox News, Huffington Post, CNN, and was flown to LA to be a cover story for Women's World magazine. Save free seat for training. Multiple time slots available. Hurry, spots are limited, and fill up fast. Everyday people. Achieving great results. How Adam is making $500 plus per day. How Debbie is making $1,000 plus per day on Etsy. How Jacqueline is making $15K minus $20K in revenue each month. How Ian added a new $1.70K automatic income stream. How Mike supplements his income with $500-$1,000 each month with very little effort. How Joey make a healthy $8,000 almost every month without trading his time for it. How Gwen just crossed the $1K month mark and has a clear and easy plan to scale that. Save free seat for training. Multiple time slots available. Hurry, spots are limited, and fill up fast. Disclaimer. The experiences and successes shared on this page are not typical. They are simply an example or guide of how the products and services offered may be used and the results that may be achieved. Please note, What is achieved by one person is not guaranteed for another. Each individual will see different results. The level of your success and the results you achieve will be subject to a number of wide-ranging factors which include your background, your education and skill level, your experience, your effort as well as market factors. We make no promises or claims, and we provide no assurances as to your income potential or lack thereof. While there may be opportunities, every business has some risk involved. We ask that you weigh up and give due consideration to the opportunities and the risks involved before registering.